Welcome the our channel. Today we how to authorize Home Assistant with Ring quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, ensure you have your Home Assistant and Ring account credentials ready. Open a web browser and navigate to your Home Assistant dashboard. On the left sidebar, click on Configuration. In the Configuration menu, select Integrations. Click on the in the search bar, type Ring and select it from the list that appears. You will be prompted to enter your Ring account login information. Fill in your email address associated with your Ring account. Next, enter your Ring password. Once your credentials are entered, click the Submit button. Follow any additional prompts that may appear for authentication. You may be required to perform two-factor authentication if enabled on your account. Check your mobile device for a verification notification or SMS. Enter the verification code when prompted and click Verify. After successful authentication, Home Assistant will start fetching your Ring devices. You should see a confirmation message indicating the integration was successful. Your Ring devices, including cameras and doorbells, will now appear in the Home Assistant interface. To finalize, check the device list to ensure all desired Ring devices are integrated. Your Home Assistant is now authorized to control and monitor your Ring devices. Enjoy managing your Ring devices directly from Home Assistant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmations. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.